Intro, what are we doing?
Put the cage in the car for the 7th time.
What did we just finish?
We just got the audio ran, all the wiring for the self-amplified subwoofer and the ghost box. All that shit's gonna be in the trunk.
Subwoofer?
That'll all be in the trunk. So we only had to run off the radio harness, power wire, to switch 12 volt back to turn on the ghost box.
What was your reasoning for doing it off the radio harness?
I don't have switch 12 volt back there. I mean, I could probably splice off of the power steering thing, but I don't know, it's risky.
Yeah,
I'd rather come from the radio harness.
We're giving reason to why we would do that, because otherwise we were thinking about getting power from the factory amplifier, but the factory amplifier might have received signal from the factory head unit.
Yeah.
So it was better to just pull power from the harness itself.
And previous owners, they
butchered.
They already bypassed the factory amplifier.
It was butchered too, though, like that.
Yeah.
Typical like older car radio harness shit. Like they just like hacked into it to put a double din in.
Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta set the cage in. We're gonna try to do it over the carpet for the sake of aesthetics. We gotta take. We gotta take all of the.
Oh no!
I don't know why you'd stand that up. I don't know why you took the fucking shit off of these.
So you can see it.
Cool, it's silver. Congratulations.
Silver on rattle cannon.
What color is it? Silver.
Silver sparkle.
Silver. Same effect that we had with a couple cans of Rust-Oleum and some Duplicolor.
You're the one that made me do
nightshades. Because this is the right way to do it. It looks good.
It is nice.
What kind of painter's tape is this?
The best kind.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You've got more sticky than duct tape. Jesus Christ.
What the heck?
I don't want to use a razor blade, so I'm like, bro. Yeah, at least the tape's staying on.
Look at this. I can't even break it.
That's wild.
Okay.
Now let's get away from the wall here. The cage weighs 1,000 pounds if Ricky's hands are on it.
That's girth.
Charlie, I appreciate you coming to hang out. I've always wanted to that would be your best friend.
Glad you're here to entertain my wife. Come over more often.
Come over every Sunday. What we need to do is she needs to make friends with some single women that are his age, invite them over, and then invite Charlie over.
Oh, I'm having a cocktail night. Come over. Oh, the guys are in the garage.
Charlie's not into cars.
Yeah. He's into women.
He's into dudes.
Okay.
Okay.
That's nice.
Sure. A little scratch right there.
And a little, oh yeah, that fucked up right there. Is that a fuck up or is this just, oh no, it's just, could be. Why is it turning black? Oh yeah, it's a chip. So, that's probably when they dropped it when I picked it up.
We need like a rag or something like that.
Santa Barbara. Santa Barbara. I got my door just closed itself.
Kyoto. Not Santa Barbara. Huh?
The door just closed itself.
Good?
It's better go ahead.
What is this, watercolor? Bro, what is this? It's not coming off.
Whatever, just leave it.
Okay, cool. I just remember that when Ricky's like, there's grease on the cage.
Oh, it's like, yeah, it's like,
Grease. Grass.
it's like a...
Grass. Go drop. Oh, fuck.
Go drop the e-brakes when the car rolls outside.
This is literally not going in if the e-brake's up.
Yeah, so we chalk the rear. Right? It's on jazz time.
Maybe. Hold on. Go on the other side.
The steering wheel.
Go on the
Oh,
other
I
side.
can't. It's not a compromise. We don't need that. It doesn't
Go on the other side. Who the fuck did this? They did a shit job. Is this supposed to be gloss?
No.
Satin?
Whatever it is, that's what it was supposed to be.
Base coat, clear coat?
I picked it off of a swatch.
Okay.
Alright, I'm on the other side.
I'm on the other side.
I'm on the other side.
Right near the beach. Boy. Oh god.
No wonder why the doors are closing. The car's at a 90 degree angle. That how it goes? Take out the phone.
You're in charge of that side now because I can't see. Ricky, go. You're an idiot.
Oh, he's down.
Go down. Why are you going up?
Okay, stop.
I'm gonna fucking kill you, dude.
Don't get mad.
I'm gonna get mad. Why are you holding it up? Put the fucking cage down, 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 down.
Down. It's down.
This guy's a fucking idiot.
Okay, it's in. It's in the car.
Alright, cool. We're done for the day. God, I can't stand you.
I thought we were gonna.
Why are you putting it into the windshield?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Dyslexia.
Lifting it into the air like you're gonna get somewhere with that. You might actually be like low-key retarded. Where's the poker?
Breakfast.
There it is. Alright. Okay, so you gotta stand it up. Get your fat fucking knee out of the car.
Love it here. I love it here.
Should we put one of the vertical bars on just to hold it? And then we'll slide it off?
If that's gonna help us position.
Yeah, I think so. I just don't remember which one goes where.
We have the three right? That should help. I guess it's also but that pitches it towards you.
So we're trying to get these to line up with our pre-drilled holes, but the vertical back bar needs to be in to hold it upright. So it's a multi-stage situation here. Let me put this. If my family sends another text message about Christmas,
I'm not going.
I'm not going. Okay, so this one I could use to hold. Yeah, I think I should heat them up or just shove it through the carpet.
I mean,
I just don't think the hardware is going to make it through a small carpet hole, if that makes sense.
well, we got these holes we did for the seat brackets. We use screwdrivers. Non-heated.
I'm like,
Door cards are actually decent shape. With their like butter. Read the fine print. They made the carpet with their finest petroleum products.
do not expose to heat. fucking sandwich.
You want to tap it like a socket?
Make it a hammer.
Okay.
Make sure I hit the cage. It's not like it'll be the first chip.
Laser pointer, bro. Laser pointer.
Okay.
So now check out the diameter of the pipe.
So the problem with your idea of, okay, cool, we're gonna cut these in the car, it requires the whole cage to be together. Like the bars have to be on, like you have to like slide that piece through the hole we cut, assemble it to the cage then has to get put into position all while the plastics are loose, which is not possible.
They do it.
Okay.
I don't know.
Not possible.
They do it with it's all loose.